Mommy, can you help us?
No, I gotta take the video. Well, Daddy gets his chopper ready.
Go film the chopper blade there for a second.
Oh, here's the blade.
Robbie, stop, do your job. Daddy, Robbie, stop doing your job.
You gonna dump the pulp into the buckets? I see.
Let's do this.
Pull the leaves out of there. Pull the leaves out.
Okay, Daddy, Robbie's not doing his job. He's playing.
Well, you can set a good example, can't you?
Pull the leaves out. Pull the leaves out.
Robbie, can you find some leaves and pull them out? No?
Mommy, I think this is the baddest job in the world.
Why? Because you're getting soaking wet. It's okay, Audrey. Everything can be dried. Robbie, don't throw the apples out. Throw the leaves out, dear.
That's a bad one.
Well, that is a bad one, actually.
Good job, Robbie. All right, kids. Time to show off the new toy. You ready?
No.
Get out of the way, Robbie.
Why?
Go stand next to Mommy.
Why?
Okay. Because we don't want to get kabobbled.